Adidas is using 3D printing to create Superfly kicks of the future. On Friday, the company unveiled Futurecraft 4D, its latest 3D printed sneakers, made possible through a partnership with Carbon, a Silicon Valley-based tech company focused on innovative product creation. The 4D sneaker is part of the company's efforts to create performance data-driven 3D printed midsoles for consumers based on individual foot scanning, which was announced back in October 2015. In a press release, Adidas explained that Futurecraft 4D's midsole is born out of 17 years of running data and created with digital light synthesis, a super futuristic process that uses digital light projection and liquid resins. With digital light synthesis, we venture beyond limitations of the past, unlocking a new era in design and manufacturing, Eric Liedtke, a group executive board member for Adidas, explained in the release. For now, Adidas plans to release 300 pairs of Futurecraft 4D sneakers in April 2017 for friends and family, and 5,000 pairs for retailers in the fall and winter of 2017. Though the company's last 3D printed shoes were limited edition, Adidas plans to create more than 100,000 pairs of Futurecraft 4Ds by the end of 2018, so here's hoping you will be able to snag a pair.
Thank you.